Just finished this Danish egg. Really like the way this turned out. These colors. This is a piece of spalded poplar burl, stabilized. Um, it's almost like a resin. The way it cuts and polishes and so forth. Um, enjoy the way that this piece of briar blasted. Came out really cool. Got a black contrast undercoat on it. Picked up the softer grain and left a smooth rim on the top on the bowl. Black stem. It's a 5-inch pipe. It's about 1.3 ounces, 20 millimeter diameter, about 1.5 inches deep. So I'll put this on the website here soon, but reach out to me if you're interested. Okay, everybody, have a good day.